How to send money to Mpesa wallet from UAE to Kenya. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. My name is Martha Cameron. If it's your very first time, so please subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into this. Right away, you want to go to your Paysend app. If you haven't downloaded it, I'm going to leave a link down below that you can register and sign up for this quick, easy way of sending money to abroad. Okay, so I'm just putting in my passcode after, that is after you'll have downloaded the app, and then you just go directly to send. And if you've been using the app, they'll show you that there are other transactions that you've been making, and if the person you want to send money to is under those previous recipients, and you can just click on their name. If they're not there, then you can just click on the new recipient icon. Alright, then they will tell you to select how to deliver money to recipient. To bank card, first transfer directly to recipient's MasterCard, Visa or other card. But then if you want to see other options, you want to first search by country. For more options, search by destination. Alright, because every country has different options available. Uganda, we have MTN and Airtel and so on, and then in Kenya they have Mpesa, Safaricom. So you realize that you have to first choose the country. Alright, and as you can see, that now asking you how to deliver money to Kenya. Is it to a digital wallet, that is Mpesa, Safaricom or Airtel, etc. And then there's also a bank account, and then to card that should be MasterCard. Actually, Visa card is not allowed. For that, I don't know, but for the country, as you can see, these are the provided methods. To other countries, it can be different. So for today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on Mpesa, as in you send money to mobile money to somebody's phone. Like they don't have to go somewhere and pick it up and something like that, and with very few charges, small cost, and the money will be there in minutes. So you want to first see the rate. For example, if you want to send 50 Arab Emirates dirhams, they'll first show you how much that will be in Kenyan shillings. That will be 1,552.66 Kenyan shillings. Okay, if you're comfortable with that rate, then you can go ahead and then put in the recipient's digital wallet number, that is their mobile number, the number that you want to send the money to. Alright, so if it's 0 something, now you don't put here the 0, or it will mark incorrect number. So the 0 is substituted for the +254. Alright, now and then mobile phone number in Kenya. Okay, and everything you filled it in. Then now you're going to put in the amount. So you want to put in the name very correctly as it appears on somebody's maybe a card or identity card or something like that. So now select how to pay that money. I, as the sender, I have to choose how I'm going to pay. Is it by Google Pay or by ADC? Okay, if you've ABC commercial bank something, card. If you've already added it, then it will show. If you want to add a new one, then it will also show. And then they'll ask you for your nationality, not where you are, but your nationality. I am Ugandan, yes, in UAE. So I'll not put UAE, I'll put Uganda. That's my nationality. Then my ID, your ID type, as the sender, I'm going to use a national ID card. And you want to use a national ID card of the residence where you are. Apparently, if it's a passport, then yeah, it can be from your national, your country. Then you want to put in the CVV, and then complete the whole process. And then you want to make sure that every information you filled in is correct. It's going to the right number, guys. Cross check the number. Actually, the name may not really matter a lot, but the number, the Mpesa wallet, or the number where you're sending the money. And then yeah, you click on confirm, and then the next step will be you have to wait just a little bit. And please guys, like this video, share it with your friends, and because somebody really asked me to share this, I used to tell them you can send money on someone's mobile number, and they're like, no, it's not possible, I have to use something else. No, so now you just have to put in your OTP, because guys, this method is safe, secure, and accurate, and fast, and cheap. Hey, all combo in one. Alright, so after that, it will show you now that you've sent. As you can see here in this car clock, something small like clock up there, it shows processing, but actually the person will have already received. Like 1 minute, 2 minutes, the man just boom, it's already there. Okay, so transaction number is that, rename transaction, then you click on the other three dots up there to show you the, if you want the receipt. Yeah, they'll show the receipt, everything done. They'll send to your email that you used to register for Mpesa, for Paysend. So this is the receipt, transaction details, successful, and everything like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share and subscribe.